In this video we will talk about an altcoin Cardano ADA. What it is, how it works and other features such as staking, so make sure you watch the video till the end. What is Cardano ADA? Mathematician Charles Hoskinson, who also co-invented Ethereum, founded Cardano. The mission of Cardano is to establish a blockchain platform for changemakers, innovators, and visionaries, with the tools and technology required to create potential for the many, as well as the few, and bring about good global change, according to the company's website. Cardano is a decentralized proof-of-stake, polonium-2 sulfide, blockchain designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work (POW) networks. Scalability, interoperability, sustainability, growing costs, energy use, and slow transaction times are critical tenets behind Cardano's development. The Cardano blockchain technology is the first of its kind to be based on scholarly research that has been peer-reviewed. Academic research serves as the overall project's compass, and before entering development, all platform integrations and implementations are thoroughly investigated, mathematically modeled, tested, and challenged. The digital currency token connected to Cardano is called ADA. Contrary to Bitcoin and Ethereum, where the organization and token share the same name and are interchangeable, this arrangement is more common. Similar to how Ripple the company and XRP interact, Cardano and ADA have a similar relationship. ADA is named after Ada Lovelace, a mathematician and the first computer programmer in history, who lived in the 19th century. How does Cardano work? The next generation cryptocurrency is frequently referred to as the Cardano blockchain. Cardano, a cryptocurrency that was created using the Haskell programming language, takes pride in being technology realized through evidence-based science. Cardano's native token ADA is used in the blockchain's POS consensus mechanism. ADA is given as a reward for work done for the blockchain by users participating in a stake pool. Cardano ADA has a market cap of around $14 billion. Cardano claims that their blockchain provides opportunities outside of the financial sector, with which cryptocurrencies are typically linked. They see applications for the blockchain in governance, healthcare, retail, education, and agriculture. Staking. In Cardano's POS system, staking determines a node's capability to open blocks on the blockchain. A stake is an interest held by a pool participant, secured with ADA that is pledged. Users with pledged ADA are given rewards in the form of transaction fees. Staking pools. Users stake coins for the chance to become a validator. Stake pools are trusted server nodes that conduct the work of validating transactions. You can become a stake pool owner or stake pool operator. Smart contracts. Future releases and forks will bring smart contracts and more capabilities to the mainnet. This update allowed users to create smart contracts, non-fungible tokens, and manage multiple assets. Future of Cardano. Cardano is designed to be developed in eras, named after notable figures in poetry and computer science history. Basho, current, mid-2022, is the era of scaling and optimization, intended to bring more capabilities to Cardano. Voltaire is the final era for Cardano development as it will bring voting and treasury management to the network. How is Cardano different from Bitcoin? Cardano is an open-source project that allows other developers to create tokens, decentralized applications, or create other use cases for scalable blockchain network. Cardano uses proof-of-stake in its consensus and doesn't reward ADA as an incentive in a competitive mining process like Bitcoin does. If you think this video have added value to your knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.